teaching us, showing us where you can calculate or where you can see your watch hour, the almighty watch hour, where you can see it on your YouTube studio. Okay, you guys will also remember that watch hour and watch time, they are two different things altogether. Most people, especially those that start YouTube newly, they mistake or they mistook watch hour watch time for watch hours. So I'm going to be showing you guys specifically where in your YouTube studio you can check your watch hour, the almighty 4,000 watch hour that you need to enter the YouTube partnership program or to get monetized after you also get your 1K subscriber. So guys, without much ado, let's dive straight into it. First of all, you open your Google Chrome, okay, or you open your Chrome browser, and in the search section you type in YouTube Studio, YouTube Creator Studio. When you type in your YouTube Creator Studio, the YouTube Creator Studio will show. This is how it is. Okay, now specifically where you can see your watch hour, you can see by the left side of this YouTube, okay, by the left side where there is the your analytics and other things, where there is this dollar icon. You can see the dollar icon here. Let me bold it so you guys can see. This dollar icon is what you press. If you touch it, it will bring you to where you can see your watch hour. So this is how it is. When you touch it, that place is called monetization. If you see, this is where you see your watch hour and watch hour and subscriber count. This is it. Okay guys, so this is basically how it is. You can see where it's written 23 public watch hours. This is a new channel, so guys, this is where you see it. I hope this video is helpful. Please help us share it, like, and also leave a comment for us in the comment section of this video. See you guys by God's grace in my next video.